Hello everyone and welcome to our channel, Rebecca Stew and the crew. I'm Rebecca. Today we have a new video to show what's new and what's been restocked at your local Dollar Tree. We're located in DFW. I went to 2 stores for the second part of the week, and this will be for October the 11th, 2024. I combined all of the pictures into one video to make it easier for viewing. So let's go shopping and see what's new. In apparel and accessories, we have the clear tote bags with the colorful borders in blue, green, and pink. We also have the extra large tote bags with the funny sayings like shopping is my cardio. They also had the cloth tote bags in the plain or the one that says teach your life with the rainbow, and their cruise socks. We have the 2 different Peanuts socks with Snoopy on the outside. The Dungeons and Dragons socks, there's 4 of those, and there's the Game of Thrones, also 4 different socks. We have the candies, it's like the different blow pop and double bubble, some Angry Birds, and the fluffy stuffed cotton candy that has like Tootsie Rolls and Sugar Babies. They also had the Disney socks with Mickey Mouse, the Donald Duck, and like Pluto hats on the outside. Then there are the Mossy Oaks cruise socks. We have the green background with the grizzly bears, a couple different camping socks. We have the different shades of blue, the green, gray, and tan. We've also got the gray background with the campers and the s'mores over a campfire. Last but not least, I found the Winnie the Pooh socks restocked. For arts and crafts, they've restocked the Wood Pallet House DIY signs. They come in brown, black, or white. Already has the twine hanger attached at the top. We have the DIY wooden arrows. There are 2 different styles there, again with the hanger already attached to the top. Then we've got the 3D wood pieces that you can DIY. There's a bumblebee, a rose, and a paw print. If I stretch my hand all the way out, it still surpasses the outside border of my hand. They're quite large. Then they had their DIY glass vases restocked. These are nice as they don't have a finish on the outside, so you can paint or decorate them as you wish. They also restocked the Chanel yarn. There's the emerald green, hibiscus, which is a really bright pink. The salmon was more of like a light orange. Peach color, the light mauve is actually more of like a lilac color. They had gray. The light blue is called aqua. And then the really bright yellow, that one is named lemon. The baby and toddler section, they really didn't have a whole lot new except for the snack containers, the sandwich keepers, and the cereal bowls. You can get all 3 for each character set. So they've got the Paw Patrol. There's also Bluey, the dog with all his little friends. There's a snack container and the cereal bowl, and you could also get these in the Disney Princess. So I'll just show those real quick, and then we'll move over into the health and beauty. So for the health and beauty, we'll combine the hair care, cosmetics, and the items which you would consider more like pharmacy or personal care style items into this section. The LA Colors Lip and Eye Studio is a cardboard cutout that's on the end of the aisle by the cosmetics. They have lots of different lipsticks, which are in the fall colors and more of like a nude style lipstick. There's also the plumping lip gloss. Those are in the nude or the light mauve or light pink color. And then we've got the lip crayon. So those also come in a bunch of different colors. You can see the top is a little bit more pointed than like a traditional lipstick. We have some liquid eyeshadow colors and a bunch of the LA Colors auto eyeliners. There was pink, blue, gold, and like a light brown. We have some matte and metallic liquid liner, the metallic or the blue, silver, gold, and green. We have some more of the liquid eyeshadow. There's purple, pink, champagne, a darker brown, and blue. And we have the scrunchy claw clips. Those come in 2 colors. It looks like a heart with an interwoven chain. There are pink and purple. We have the 6 different heart-shaped mini claw clips, and there's 2 different cards of those. We also have the 4-piece of the snap clips by Scunchie. One of my favorite hair accessories this week was this claw clip with the satin flower. It's glued to each side of the claw clip. They had it in the light pink or the darker rose pink. We've got the metal claw clips back in that look like the butterfly wings. They have the more decorative, the open wing, and then the seashell. Then for fun finds this week, I found these extra large wall decals, which look like a heart. They are 3D and there's some different color stripes throughout. There were some Dallas Cowboy novelty style items. These are from the NFL official products. They have a couple of those items. We have some breast cancer awareness items for October. There's a 3-pack of awareness ribbon pins, a couple different keychains that say things like fight like a girl or breast cancer survivor. And there are the awareness bracelets that come in a 4-pack. For the home decor this week, we've got these glass photos with the metal leaves attached that also has a wire that wraps around the outside of the votive, a couple different decorative jars with the metal leaf accents, and then the glass jars with the cork on the top. There's the amber, yellow, and white. I also found these closet essential baskets in the fall colors. We have the blue with gold. There's also the pumpkin spice and cranberry, the glass lanterns with the metal band, and the tabletop signs. There are 3 of these. We've got the dark wood, the lighter wood, and white. This one here says love you most. There's always forever and plus. These have the beads on each side and the twine tassel at the end. Some tabletop signs for breast cancer awareness. These are a 3D shape, about an inch thick. This one says hope, and you can see the awareness ribbon on the inside edge is painted pink. They also have one that says love. For the home library, office supplies, and teaching tree section, we have some journals by the Crown Jewel brand. They had the smiley faces and the marble look. There's also the stamper markers. You get a footprint, a paw print, a butterfly, a heart, a star, and a smiley face. Or the lines, you can do the curved lines or the straight or zigzag. You get 6 markers in each pack. There's also the Jot Skin Tone crayons in a 24-pack. Some new flashcards. They have Teen Titans, Ninja Turtles, and Jurassic Park. We've also got some games like Memory, Go Fish, and Crazy 8. And then for housewares, home maintenance, storage, organization, electronics, there's the multi-surface peppermint sage cleaning wipes. There's also some Odoban eliminates odor. It's a moisture absorber. It says it's ocean breeze scent. You get 1 bag. It shows you how to fill it and how to use it and suggested places to put it. The fragrance boosters, these are a similar item that they've had before. They've just changed the top. And then we've got the Palmex laundry detergent packs in a 10-pack. And those are the Mountain Fresh. For kitchen and pantry this week, they're starting to put out their foil pans for Christmas. They have their different colors like the green. There's also gold. And then at another Dollar Tree, I found them in red. They also had the red mini loaf pans, and those are in a 3-pack. Then I found a bunch of the mandala bowls and plates. Those have been restocked. If you didn't see those over summer, I just found one store that put a bunch of these out. We have the charger plates, which are the clear with the gold trim and the solid red. Those have all been restocked. Then I found this new item. It's called Evac. It's an herb container. When you push the lid down, it pushes all of the air out. It says it holds a 1/4 ounce. It's an airtight container by Prepara. And here's a view from the side. Like if you push the topper all the way down, it says it automatically removes air. When I looked them up online on their website, it says the mini one that you saw in the picture, those start at $11. For party supplies this week, we have the cello wrap restocked. They had a bunch of boxes of these over by the balloons. Then we have some decorative gift boxes. This one says You Grow Girl. Looks kind of like a book from the side. These come in 4 different sizes. There's also Good Vibes. And then Smile, Sparkle, Shine with the stars. And the last one is in a sky full of clouds, always be a rainbow. For pet care this week, they had these new digestive chews by VitaGlobe Pet Health. This one is the Pet Digestive Soft Chews. You get 24 of them. It says it's for cats and dogs of all sizes. We have the Bone Health Soft Chews. And then the last one is for pet skin health. And it says you can use them for dogs and cats. There's different flavors like chicken and peanut butter and stuff like that. The seasonal items, we'll start with the fall kind of Halloween items. We have these candles with the metal leaf accent and the rope tied around the outside. There's also some mini disguises and different pieces that you can use to make Halloween costumes with. A bunch of different masks. Some of them light up. And then a bunch of ones we've seen in the past, like the ninja. We've got the skull. There's the hockey mask, some different weapons, the butterfly wings, and some like ladybug and bumblebee. We have these light up butterfly glasses. They have the different color wigs, like pink, blue, and purple. More headbands. This one's a flower headband with the pink, blue, and purple. Supposed to go with the butterfly costume. There's also the headband, looks like a unicorn, and some satin gloves. They have those in black, white, and purple. They had some more of these 3D craft kits back in for Christmas. There's the manger, has the wise men. And then we've got this winter scene with the Christmas trees in the winter house, some candy canes. We've also got Santa with a teddy bear and a snowman with some candy canes. The mini bottle brush trees. They had a bunch of these, like blue, white, and silver. This one's the twisty style tree. They all have the wooden base, which are a little bit less than half an inch thick. They have some that have the decorative ornaments already on the outside. The green ones with the snow tips. Some of the wired ribbons been restocked. There's the solid or the ones with like the decorative accent. There's also the sequence ornaments that look like light bulbs. There's gold and red. The light up icicle lights, those come in a 2-pack. They already have the battery attached. The 20-pack of the mini lights are 5 feet long. We have the white or the red. I'm sorry, not red, the multicolor. And then there's the mini lights also. We've got these LED lights. You can see all the different plastic tips on the outside. There's the white snowflakes, the little mini bulbs, and you need 2 AA batteries for these. You get 10 lights in each pack. There are the Christmas trees that light up. They kind of cycle through different colors. The toys and games section, they've repackaged the Waggles Friendship little play set. So this one is the swing. And then they have the merry-go-round. You could also pick up the seesaw. And they have the characters. Each character comes with some kind of an accessory like sunglasses. The hippo has french fries, candy, and an ice cream cone. And now we'll move over into the last section, which will be the Dollar Tree Plus items. We have this $10 kit. It's an 11-piece party serving kit called Party Essentials. This is great for holidays, birthdays, fundraisers, different kinds of parties. We have the vanity organizer for $3. It's a large clear container to organize makeup. We have the 4-port PD car charger for $5, and they have some of their Christmas lanterns in. They have some Christmas greenery at the top with some pine cones. There's the black, has the pine cones and some berries at the top. We also have the red and the white. These are $5 each. You do need to purchase batteries. And then they have these new Christmas trees. So last year they had the 6-foot trees in green. They also have them in white this year, or you can get a 6-foot tree for $20. They also have those in the white and in the green. And that is it for today's video. Thank y'all so very much for watching. Please don't forget to go subscribe if you haven't done so already. If you could hit that thumbs up, that will really help my video to get seen, and share it with others. You could also hit that bell that will notify you every time I upload a new video so you won't miss them. Thank you all very, very much. I hope you have a very lovely weekend, and I'll see you next time.